Just because a specific illness has so many remedies doesn't mean it is going to work. Hi, I'm your private nurse, and in today's video, I will be telling you how to know if a particular home remedy or medication is going to work. And I will also help to debunk some of your ancient misconceptions that you may have. So guys, because of a lot of people use some certain home remedies doesn't mean it's going to work. And oftentimes it's very difficult to actually know if a certain medication will work or not. So that's why your private nurse is here to give you these 5 rules that will guide you to know if that medication or home remedy is going to work. So I'll be giving some examples from a case study done in the rural areas of Mexico. Is number 1, the more remedies they are for a particular kind of illness, the less likely it is going to work. So why I said that is, in Mexico, there are different remedies for goiter. Goiter is an irregular growth that comes out at this area of your neck. So it comes out just below the thyroid gland. So some people feels that when you tie a crab around the goiter, that is going to heal. The other remedy for goiter that they believe is when you go looking for a deaf child. They said you should go look for a deaf child, and the deaf child should place his or her hands on the goiter. They said that you can carry a vulture and smear the head, like put the brain, just put it on the goiter and it's going to heal. Then some other one said when you take the feces of an animal and rub there, that it is going to cure. But none of these are going to work. None of these, assuming one worked, I mean, they wouldn't have brought other solution. So the second rule to know if your home remedy is going to work or not is that disgusting remedies are most likely not to work. Okay, for example, they will tell you that if you want to treat leprosy, you take a drink that that there's a snake inside, and the snake is already rotting inside the water. Then you take the water from there. Like, who does that? And the second thing, they will tell you that if you are having syphilis, that you should you should eat a vulture. But none of these are going to work, because taking a drink whereby there's a rotten snake inside will only expose you to more dangers, and it could cause a very dangerous infection. So guys, none of this will work. So guys, the third rule is that remedies that tell you to use animal feces or urine, they are most likely not to work. An example is taking the feces of an animal and rubbing it around your eye. This is set to cure blurred vision, but there is no way putting a human feces or an animal feces can cure blurred vision. Like, there is no way. And it is also believed by them, that's the first belief, that when you drink the urine of an animal, maybe a cow or a pig, that it helps to, you know, do one or two things in your body. But none of these are good for your system. This one is also popular, where they will tell you to put animal feces in the navel of a small child, like the navel of an infant, that you should put human feces. No, like, those things are of no good, and it causes delay in getting medical care, because you believe this thing, you believe it works, but it's only making you get worse. So putting human feces in the navel of an infant can even cause tetanus infection. So it is not hygienic. So guys, the fourth rules to know is, if a particular remedy resembles the illness, it is definitely not going to work. What am I trying to say? It is believed that when you are bitten by a dog, that taking a drink made of dog tail is going to heal you. My dear, it's not. It's a false belief. And the second one is, after a scorpion stings you, then you take the scorpion's head after killing it, then rub it on that particular place. This particular belief, guys, you guys know about it, because they will tell you that when ants beat you, that you should, find the ant, kill the ant, and then put the ant on the particular area you got the bite. So this just has to do with your belief system. Many people believe in it, and that's why it works for them, but this has no benefits whatsoever to your health. Don't drink a tea made of dog tail thinking it's going to help you cure the dog bite or something. No, guys. So guys, the fifth rule to know if your home remedy is going to work or not is when they tell you to put the feet of a child on fire. Like, we all know that spasm in children and even in adults is very frightening, but putting the leg of a child in fire is not going to frighten the child to come back, you get, back to his or her normal state. I know this very ancient one that we all do, putting a spoon in the mouth of a convulsing person. It's not going to work. It is not going to work. But please stay tuned, because I will be talking about this convulsion and things to actually do, the immediate things you can do before taking that person to the hospital. Feel free to leave those misconceptions that are around you, and let's debunk it in the comment section. And I would really love to hear your own misconception. And if you have this misconception which I just talked about, please also leave it in the comment section so that we can relate. Okay, I remain your private nurse. Like, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you.